Well, the A400M landed here at Benbecula about an hour ago. Lots of bits and pieces going on. Don't really want to go round by the golf course, although it looks like there's a couple of cars there who are just taking a look at what's going on as well. So the ramp has been down, I noticed that before. So whether it's getting ready to take off again, I don't know. It's about 20 to 6 now. You can hear noises. Propellers aren't going round, so it's not that making a noise, but yeah, the ramp has probably gone up, I think, now. A few vehicles behind it and people doing bits and pieces. So yeah, might hang around here a little bit just to see. Be nice to see her take off, if indeed she does. Came in from Bryce Norton earlier. I could follow her on the flight track 24 or whatever the app is called. So yeah, interesting to see up close. Pretty big beasts. Well, still not much going on. A few vehicles going back and forth. I see a few people wandering around, and of course I forgot to bring my binoculars with me. Back in the cottage. Yeah, I guess I'll hang around and see what happened. If all the vehicles disappear and the engines shut down, I guess it'll be flying off tomorrow. But we'll wait and see. Actually great watching the lapwings just flying around, displaying. Wonderful sound. Still not a great deal going on. Lots of lapwings flying around. Yeah. We wait. Those props are starting to move. Look of it. Just about make it out from here. Holding this phone here like this. I think those props are actually moving now. Convinced they were before. Don't know. A bit of a change in sound as well. There we go. Winding up nicely. High pitch noise to it now. Apologies for any camera shake, but it's pretty windy. chickened out and back in the car. You see the rain on the screen now. It's getting heavier. Maybe it's lightening off a bit. It's amazing how long it takes once you think planes are getting ready to go. Like watching a kettle boil or paint dry. Hopefully that's tempting fate and she'll start rolling forward soon. And there you go, let the rain stop now. Do I risk it and get out? Yeah, I think I will. And we have movement. That big noise was a tractor behind me. Probably louder than the aircraft on the microphone. So turning around the end of the runway. Good view of those propellers there. Look at that. Not lovely. You see the huge ramp at the back there, which was down earlier. Yeah, the sun's come out. That's nice. So we'll move over to the fence here. Barbed wire fence. She's going to stop before she moves forward. Probably doesn't need to, I wouldn't have thought. It should be straight off. A little bit of a stop perhaps there. Wonderful sound, wonderful sound. And the sun comes out, so that's probably the time to go, I'd have thought. I hope he's got his aviator glasses on. He's going to need them. He or she, of course. Of course, the A400M is the only one, any transport plane in the Air Force, apart from the big C-17s. No more C-130s around anymore. And I got pensioned off a while ago, only a few years ago actually, thinking about it. Can't remember how many 400Ms there are for the Air Force. If I find out, I'll stick a note on the screen when I edit this video. I'm pretty sure they're all based at Bryce Norton now. Lynham's no longer a RAF base. You do wonder what they're waiting for, don't you? Huh? Can't be for a clear runway, I wouldn't have thought. It's been clear all day long. You can see from there, the wind is pretty good, taking off into that. Just need to hear the change of tone of the engine. It should tell us it's about to move off. You'd have thought. Sure, they want to head back as soon as they can. And the sheep in the fields here, not bothered in the slightest. And here we go. Yeah, there's that change. Foot to the floor. Yeah, what a noise. Straight into the sun. Can't see what on earth I'm trying to record here on the screen. And there she goes. Homeward bound, I guess I'd say. Can't be a bad trip. Bryce to Benbecula for them, I suppose. think it'll probably take about an hour and a half, something like that. I'll check that on flight radar. But yeah, there she goes. There she is. Hardly hear anything at all now. She comes round, hear a bit more now. I'm guessing she's heading off to Bryce. We'll find out. I don't even know if I can see her there, but I've just checked. And no. She's off to Keflavik, off to Iceland, Reykjavik. Not heading back to Bryce. So yeah. Onwards. Nice to see though. Nice to see.